It's not the math that scares people about investing, it's the emotions no one prepares you for. People assume investing is logical and then emotions show up and they feel like they're bad at it. That's when people quit too early. They feel they feel like emotion with their emotions running too high. They feel like they're doing it wrong. And that means you're human. That doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. They have fear of losing money. You could feel these things. You could second guess yourself. I did that a lot. Um, Feeling you're behind or late. That's another one I did a lot because you might be starting in your 40s or 50s as opposed to starting in your 20s. You feel like you don't have a lot of time. And most beginners feel some mix of fear, doubt, and like I said, I should have started sooner. You might be checking your account too often or panicking when you see things dip and comparing yourself to others, thinking, you know, I should have this by now. And this person, their account is bigger. Investing is really a relationship with your future self because when I started investing, I didn't think about 10 years or 15 years later. It was just, I was just in that bubble. So, your emotions are signals and not stop signs. Long term investing is emotional, but it's a discipline. It's not going to be perfect. You can be emotional and still be a successful investor. Just remember that. So, if you need clarity that helps your nerves, helps you calm your nerves, I have a beginner's guide that explains investing terms simply. And if you want long term support, long term, I'll be opening a wait list so you could join the community that I'm creating for women. And just remember, emotions are part of investing. Don't try to separate the two because, and don't fight yourself for feeling that you're behind. Don't don't beat yourself up. Start where you are. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, and let me know. Just say I'm starting. Just that's it. Those two words. I'm starting. And follow me on my journey. My journey is to leave my 9 to 5 through investing in 5 years. Also, if you're with this journey, if you're going along with me, just let me know. Are you investing for retirement? Are you investing for a down payment for a house? Put that in the comments also. So, once again, like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for new videos. Talk to you soon.